I want another one to time out. Monkey, stay in a timeout chair. Reason why you're being in timeout because you did not finish your dinner. And you have been biting people. No, I don't want to. Oh, no. Stop yelling, or it should be timeout for 3 hours. No. We. I want to stop, or it's candy. I want candy. I want candy. I want candy. Monkey, stop yelling and stop throwing tantrums in the timeout, young monkey. No, I want bananas. No, monkey. Stay in a timeout chair. Stay in his chair, or else you'll be staying in there for 3 hours. And you will be grounded. And I'm posting it to YouTube. No, do not post it to YouTube. No. Stop yelling. You're gonna get in timeout for 3 hours. No. I don't want a timeout. Monkey, stop it. I'll break your camera. Hey, don't do it. Monkey, stop hitting me. Monkey, stop it. But Larry, I wanted bananas. Monkey, stop it. Stop it, monkey. You're going to be time out, young man. You are grounded for 1 week. That's it. I'm going to destroy the camera. That's it. I'm destroying your camera. Monkey, stop yelling. Monkey, how dare you break the camera? That's it. You're grounded for 2666-816-8461-81831 years. Yo.